Come and set the lightning with me. So set up with me for a client's shoot.
Hello guys, this is Wispro Media. I am a wedding and portrait photographer in the city of Abuja, Nigeria. So the other day, a client reached out to me on Instagram. She sent me a message that she wanted to do a birthday shoot, and the inspiration picture she sent happens to be Haida Bass's portrait that was taken by Photo Culture. So on today's video, I'll put you through the behind the scene of how we recreated this masterpiece. If you're interested in knowing how we created this, watch till the end of this video. Okay, let's start. You already know that the lifeline to any successful photo shoot is planning, and we have to plan ahead and involve a decorator. The decorator we used is Buka's Finesse, and bro, he finished the job. He did an amazing job. So stay tuned. Our light setup, the key lights we used, our key light is AD600 inside 95 cm octabus. Then we used studio strobe inside 150 parabolic umbrella by the left, by the right as a fill light. Then we used AD200 as backlight. So that is the light setup we use. Then I will show you the camera settings.
So you're pressing McDonald's with your ass. My friend is so
Damn.
My girl is so extra. She's gonna make a beautiful bride.
Yeah, the knock at the last year. This year, white wedding.
Jesus Christ, I said. This is so fine.
I was just working on it. Yeah. Can we get the inspiration so that you're not wearing any bracelets or anything? Okay, let's start with this. I mean, okay, keep your hand this way. Yeah. Okay, let's do the other small one first. Let's do half. Where is the half push? Okay, this one is fine. Let's do this. Wait to the aka. And move that push. To the aka. Which we are not. Which we are. Wait here by the side. Yeah, here. So then you use your other hand to hold this here. Yeah. Just here, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, look at me. Your face this way. Look at me, look at me. Okay. Take a deep breath. Yeah, then look at me. Open your mouth. Okay, let's go. Chin down a little bit. Yeah. Don't smile too much. Take a deep breath.
I saw it.
Okay.
Relax. Those are my feet. Are you sure you don't remove that hair? Stand on the floor.
You are not even seeing the hair, so what's the point?
Of wearing it back.
So I don't like your facial expression. I don't know. Can you see what it looks like? So try and relax yourself. Can you remove it? You are not seeing your.
Well, can she stand on the floor? So not sure.
Okay, let's do food then. Let's do food first, then you remove it. Okay, let's do the first one.
Let's not really don't go for facts. Let's just do our own. Anything that's fine.
Alright, now let's do this then. Wait to do the aka. Wait to no. Yeah, then the way I need to be. Yeah, good. No, not yet. Can you step forward? Step forward. Okay, alright, let's go. Hello.
My salad.
Chin up, take it this way. Look at my hand, yeah. Maintain that face. Then close your eyes. Don't smile. When you smile too much, it's marking. So, yeah. Yeah, cool. Hey, can you look at me? That same way? Okay, can you do a different pose? Okay. Can you do a different pose? This has been what we are doing. Can you do this? Like keep both hands this way. Sorry. Yeah. Bring your head down, not yeah. Yeah, taking it, yeah, slashing it, bring it out. Sorry. Yeah. Can we take one hair back?
Yes.
Okay. No follow. Okay, let's go. Bring your hand up. Yeah. Okay. Turn your face this way. Your face. Then chin down. Then look at me. Sit your head this way. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. What did you say? You want to learn what? You want to learn everything.
My body.
I love this. Now.
My body is
Okay, let's go. Don't smile. Yeah, bend your hair. Keep your hair straight. Yeah, come. Okay, come and see what we have first to know if you are making any progress. I've not snapped you what? What was your definition of half? Is it headshot or half picture?
Those half pictures.
Headshot. I've snapped half now. This is half now.
Yeah?
We can do more, sir. All of us are still here.
Oh my god! Damn!
Okay, we can do more of it now.
So I feel like something like to sit down.
Okay, you want to sit down?
Let's try like different things.
Okay. Sorry.
Around that. I know I said I want that. There can be additional aesthetic things.
Okay, alright. See, let's do that first one. Yeah.
My vintage baby.
She's giving body vibes.
I swear.
Okay, let's go again. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Step forward a little bit. Forward slightly. Okay, let's go. Adjust this way. Yeah, cool. Alright, let's go. Alright, then pose. Damn. Be nice. Okay, let's go. Okay, can you do something else? Then keep this hand this way. Okay, sorry, that way you are is cool. Okay, let's do without this. Can we introduce chair? Will chair be fine?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Let the thing precious. Then just yeah, don't red flag. Oh my god, my shame on his record, you guys. Stop embarrassing.
It's recording, yeah?
It's still recording, G. Very honest, guys. I want to see it from you.
Okay, let's go. Chin down. Twist your head this way. Yeah, cool. Can you smile?
She has not paid me a dime. Just her mouth. Paid me with her mouth. Almost sing. I take important calls. Don't make bundles of cash. $10.
I think we're good. We are good.
You want any of that? Bam, 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 bam. No. They're not like. Are you hear me?
Say what?
It's Trisha. So my favorite sisters.
Can you? Then bend down. No. One hand. Then you bend down a little bit. Chin down. Yeah. I like this pose. It's fine. How far? Now, go. Then look at my hand. Okay, I love that your smile. Okay, let's do this time. Can you see yourself in the mirror?
Hi guys, hello, how are you doing? Hope you guys are good because me, I am fine. So today I came to this pro studio to have my birthday shoot done, and so far so good. I would say that I had a very wonderful experience, and he's a nice guy. He has this nice humor, he's accommodating and very patient, and I recommend you use this pro.
Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share
So
this
guys,
video for more
I
photography
will be
tips.
having what should
If
I
you want to
call
learn how we edited these images, fixed the background,
that's my friend.
the skin tone and all of that, we have a video
You
in
guys
the
should be
description
well
where we
and
talked about
sending your gifts.
how to edit
Thank you.
images, full detailed explanation of how to edit images and all. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Thanks.